Krishna sir's interview. My name is Gitanjali Pahade and हमेशा सर हम सभी से क्वेश्चन करते हैं. आज हम सब मिलके एक एक करके सर से क्वेश्चन करते हैं. देखते हैं सर कैसे हमारे आंसर देते हैं. So Mitali, let's start.
So my question is, sir, when did you start this your academy?
Just give it to me. So thank you everyone. I am feeling like trapped. Okay, and you know very well whenever there is exam, so it is interview is kind of exam also. So your question is there, when did I start this coaching? So this academy we have started in the year of 2014. Since 2014, this academy is running, and the thing that I learned, I implemented for developing my communication. I have given the format of that learning, and through that way, this academy is running. So since 2014, it means it is almost 9 years. We have traveled this boat, and still Miracle English Academy is providing quality education in the field of spoken English, personality development, as well as in the field of competitive English.
Sir, please tell me what is your opinion about this academy?
Okay. It's really a controversial question. She has asked me that what is your opinion about this academy. So friends, one thing that I am going to tell you, you have seen whenever I go for worship in this place, so I go to near the door, okay, and I stay for 1 minute there. So I have written the object of this academy, okay, over there. If you have not read it, so before going to from this coaching, you read that thought. So the ultimate motto of this academy to provide quality education, okay, make every student a better communicator where he will not suffer with any communication related issues. So that is the ultimate motto of this academy, and in my opinion, we are doing well also. We have created the atmosphere for learning English. We have created the tools for learning English. Okay, and there is a methodology, that is a step-by-step methodology that we follow. And not only with the 100 or 200 students, it has implemented over the 5,000 students up till now. And whatever they have, but they have proven, or we can say that our course has proved itself that if you will go in that way, so surely the result will be there. And you can see the change in yourself also. When you came here, how was your level and what is your level now? Okay. So if I am talking about this academy, so this is one of the best platform for learning English. And for last 10 years, I am continuously working on making the easy and easier course, so that it can be understood by all kind of student, even they are housewives, even they are professional or businessmen also. But with the help of our curriculum or activities, they can develop their communication. Okay.
Sir, when you was start teaching for students, so were you not tense about all of this?
You know very well that beginning of anything is little tough. Why? Because when we begin anything, so we have lot of question in our mind that what will be the market, if the market will support us or not, if the student will believe on me also. But actually what happened, the motto of mine is to start this academy to provide spoken English classes as well as to develop the personality of a student. Okay, it means it is need based class that I am providing. Okay, because it is demanding every student want to learn English, every student want to develop the personality. So in the beginning I was little bit afraid of that, but my concepts were clear that if I will, any student will come to me or join this academy, so he will provide the result, and our result has proven. Okay, and through mouth publicity, we have this much student. I never went to anybody's home to tell him that I am running this academy, and if you have a student, so send them. Okay, that is the market telling that what is all about Miracle. So students are coming and they are joining our academies. But the beginning was little tough. I have started my journey like when on 14th of December, when I have begun this academy, I had no student with me. After 4 or 5 days struggle, I have announced a batch. So on 25th, 24th of January, I have started my first batch with only 2 students. Okay, I taught them, I motivated them, and through that this journey has started. And now we can proudly say that we have the list of more than 5,000 students. They have enrolled with this academy online and offline, and they have proven that. And our students are doing well in their career. Not only in government sector, even in lot of big MNCs, they have proven. Okay, our students are working in bank, our students are studying in good and professional colleges also, and they are doing very well with the curriculum. Okay, so it was the beginning of our academy.
Hello sir, what is your future plan about this academy?
Superb question. Okay, actually everything, if it has future plan, so it becomes a motivating factor of for this academy. So you have seen that we have developed here that atmosphere as well as the tool for learning English. Okay, in next few years, Miracle will come with its branches in other districts as well as in other blocks. Okay, and the student who are not able to approach us, they will also get benefited by our system. So my planning is to open at least 100 branches by 2025. Okay, this is the planning, and hope I will go in that way. And the next planning is to enter into digital field also. Like we provide online classes currently, but it is interactive only. But I am also trying to develop the platform where on with online interaction, the student get benefited by it. Okay, and the next is to develop our YouTube channel also. So by that way, I want to create that platform where not only the student who are approaching me physically they will develop, but through online and other classes they can develop their communication with the help of this system. That is the future plan.
So my question for you, sir, is you always wanted to open this academy or you had any other goals? If you have any other goals, so how have you come to the idea of opening this academy?
Okay. Actually, what happened here, one thing that I am going to tell you, in our life, we have not only stick to one plan, we should have fallback plan also. That's why in the class I am saying you always that develop your education, okay, complete your degrees, okay, but you should have at least one skill. If your fortune will not favor you, like if you are not able to get any job, then you should have that skill. With the help of that skill, you can earn money and you can earn your living also. So English was my ever favorite subject. As I was a Hindi medium student, so I started learning English as a subject. So I have developed my command over grammar in the beginning, okay, when I was a student. But when I went out of that way, then I realized that what is the necessity of English is. Okay, so through that I have developed my communication. Okay, and it was my ever thinking plan that how will I help people. So it was a helping hand that I have developed in myself, that how can I help people. So with the help of my skill and communication as well as with the help of my personality development techniques, I would help people. So by that way this came into existence. So it was my fallback plan, but I think the fortune was demanding something else. So I entered in the field in 2014. But it was planning that I would go in the field of spoken English and PD and other training sectors when I get old of 40, 45 or 50 years. It was my second journey that I wanted to start. But the fortune favored in that way that I have to start this journey quickly. Okay, anybody else? Yes, continue.
Sir, my question is, what do you do if you are a student now?
Okay. That's a very nice question. Okay, and one thing that I am going to tell you, I have never felt that I am a teacher. I am always a student. I learn every day something from the student. Why this academy has proven its record, why this academy is result oriented, the reason behind that I have learned the tactics from you, that how could I make the course more easier so that the student can catch it. So I am learning, and if currently I am a student, okay, it means I have not started this academy, I was a student. So in that way, I have focused about my particular goal and I start working on that. Okay, and by any cost, if I have decided that I should get that job, I should enter into that field, so I start working on that and I continuously work for it. Actually, the problem is there with the youth. What happened? They decide the plan, but they do not identify that how to achieve that goal. Suppose I want to get a government job. So what are the necessity? What are the need for getting that job? If I am prepared for that, so the things will be okay. You have seen that there are so many students who are studying in only 12th class, and once they are 12th complete, they get a job. Why? Because they are focused about it. So focus is the thing that motivate you. Your objective is the thing that motivate you to do lot of things in the life. So if I was a student, if I were a student in this time, so I could be focused about my particular things and I put my all the endeavor and efforts to achieve that. Okay, and that you also think about it. Okay, anybody else? Without mic, you can also ask the question.
My question is, what's the importance of English in your life?
What is the importance of English in my life? Actually, English is very important for me. Okay, the reason behind that, because most of the people, they have achieved a lot of success in their life, but they have always a feeling that I am not a good communicator. So one thing is very positive for me, that I can speak in Hindi as well as in English in front of thousands of people also. So that is the first goal. It gives me recognition. It has given me identification. Okay, whoever know me in this city, they know that who is Krishna sir. So everybody knows that he is the director of Miracle English Academy and he is running this academy. So English is worthwhile for me. Why? Because it has given me identity. Okay. Why I am associated with thousands of the students? Because they have the feeling that I am their trainer. So they give, okay. So the image, the prestige, the respect that I am getting currently, that is not by that who I am. Okay, I am getting by my work. Okay, everybody know me by my work, and I am working on English communication. So I can say that English is the lifeblood for me. Okay, I earn my living by that. My family, whatever the dreams I am fulfilling, that is with the help of my communication. Okay, and I want to spread this communication to more and more people so that they can get benefited by that. This thing. Okay, about my schooling. So, dear friends, I was a Hindi medium student. Okay, I have started my journey from a primary school, that is government school in my village, and the name of that school was Prathmik Saram Ramjiri. So from first to fifth class I studied in that school, and after that I admitted to Bharat Bharati school. It was also Hindi medium student. By 10th class I studied in that. Then I moved to LBHS Higher Secondary School. It was also Hindi medium. Then I did my graduation from JH College. It was also Hindi medium. But the zeal, the tempo for learning was there. So I crossed everything, and today I am doing this thing. Okay, and if I am talking about my qualification, so after that I did my MBA in marketing from Bhopal Institute of Professional Education and Research, and after that I worked for 6 years in the different corporates. I have worked with various MNCs like Parle, like Hindustan Unilever Limited, okay, and other big companies also. And after that I came in the field of this training and personality development industry. So since for 9 years I am continuously working for this. So that was the whole thing. And during my professional time also, I have done my MA in English, and recently I have completed my PhD. So I am not a trainer, but I am a good student that is continuously upgrading his skills and education.
Sir, how much college matter in our life? There are a lot of people who study in IIT, NIT, and there are a lot of people who study in local college. So, how much college matter in our life?
Okay, yes, college matters a lot because everything that what we are doing that we inculcate. Like suppose what I am behaving that I learned from my parents, that I learned from my friends, that I learned from my society only. So where you live, the atmosphere doesn't say you that you learn something, but automatically the things comes in that. Okay, so if you are in a good college, okay, where the focused study is there, where the job oriented training are there, where the other skills are taught, so surely you will be in good atmosphere. And in my opinion, you have to choose a good college. Why? Because when you enter into competition, so you will actually what happen, how anyone becomes successful. So by comparing with others, okay, watching others, what they are doing, what I am not doing, what the skill they have, what the skill I don't have. So for that I am saying that the school, colleges as well as the places matters a lot because it provides you atmosphere and it has seen that in which atmosphere you will be, you will act according to them.
So my question is, how can we grow our personality?
How can we groom our personality? That is really a nice question. So, dear, first you understand that what is the difference between personality and attitude. These are the two words. They play a major role in anybody's success. Personality, it means what do other think about me? What do other think about me? Personality it means लोग मेरे बारे में क्या सोचते हैं. And attitude it means what do I think about people. So nowadays the modern generation is focusing on attitude. They are not developing their personality. And personality is not like that thing that you can buy from somewhere. You can develop yourself. Okay, you start managing your time. You start being honest in your life. You start doing or fulfilling tasks on time. Okay, that can be helpful for developing your personality. Start reading books so that you can update yourself with others' knowledge. So if you are knowledgeable, so surely people will think that you are knowledgeable. If you will help people, so they will think that you are helpful. So personality is what the other think about, and that will be decided how you are managing your life. So the one thing for personality development that I am suggesting to each and everyone, friends, be honest. Wherever you are, you be honest. Suppose you are at home, okay, and your mama said you any of the tasks to do. Okay, if you are able to do, so please help her. Okay, if you are in a school or college or any tuition classes, okay, be honest with your student. So honesty will develop everything. I think this is the core sutra for becoming successful. And you can develop your personality by adding some new things in yourself, behaving well with others. If you will behave well with others, so people will say, no, yeah, your behavior is up to now. Okay, so we should be flexible, we should be supportive, we should be helpful. If you will go in that way, always create a helpful nature that whenever you get a chance, so if you can help anyone, so start helping others. If you will go in that way, so surely others will think good about us. And when others start thinking good about you, you will also realize that I am good and you will reflect like that. So these are some tactics. Anybody have any else question?
Yes, sir. So my question is